Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I have another quick recipe on how to make dahi boondi, and to make this I'll be needing 2 cups of boondi, which is available at any supermarket in the international food section, and I have it soaked for about 10-15 minutes in hot water. And then I have 2 cups of yogurt, 2.5 cups. It's up to you how much yogurt you like in your salad or boondi. And then I have a masala just to spice it up a bit. And then I have a small sized onion sliced or chopped. It's up to you again. And then I have a small sized tomato chopped, a tablespoon of frozen coriander, and also 1 green chili chopped. And then I'll be using 1 teaspoon of salt, red chili powder, and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. So to begin, I will drain all the water out of the boondi and have it in a large bowl. And then I'll go ahead and add the onion, the tomatoes, and also the yogurt. But first I'll have to stir the yogurt because we need a smooth stirred yogurt for this. And then I'll add the salt, the red chili powder, and the cumin seeds to the yogurt, and then mix it really well. And once I've mixed that, I'll add it to the boondi and onion and the tomatoes. You can also add boiled potatoes in there, just chopped boiled potatoes. For this quantity, you probably need 1 large or 2 medium-sized potatoes. And there I'm just going to mix it together and add the fresh or the frozen coriander leaves, and also you can also obviously add fresh ones as well if you have any, and 1 green chili chopped. And there I'll mix everything really well, and this is going to be a very thick mix, so I'm gonna add about a 1/2 cup of water to it. And then I'll add about a teaspoon of the yogurt masala I had, which is also available at supermarkets where you can find international food. And then again, mix everything together. And then the boondi should be dipped into the yogurt. It shouldn't be too sticky, or it shouldn't be sticking together, so just make sure it does have a little bit of like a liquid or like a fluid in there. It's not too dry. And then you can see I've added the masala. Give it a quick mix, and then making sure the boondi doesn't break because it had been like soaked in water. And then I'm just going to go ahead, sprinkle very lightly some of the masala over the finished product or the finished salad. And then there, it's ready. You can have it with rice, or you can have it as is, or it makes a really good aside to any meal, or it's good by itself, or even with pani puri. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Okay.